Yan. So, we're over the so guys, let's live go here,
Alright. And I believe, Renz, that we are going to be giving away more prizes.
Alright, let's go back to our second batch of raffle winners. May we call on MOGT President Corbin Chan.
Corbin.
And our models up on stage as well, our models.
President Corbin.
Let's Corbin pick our second batch of raffle winners.
Boss, 190. 200 na. Kaya pala, kasi laki na ng Jubel. 240 Jubel. Pero yung nakano siya dahil sa...
I'll be here giving away some 3 winners.
Si Idol na pala nila. Idol Rose. Isa pang pa. So she's so cute. Di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Sila pala yan. Saan? Siyempre. Norvin. Sa'yo? Wala kang pwesto. Wala kang pwesto.